Yo, what day is it?
It's Christmas, boy!
What day is it? Christmas! Ravi, what day is it? What?
Christmas!
It's Christmas! It's Christmas! It's Christmas! Hey. The hell, man? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Guys, it's Christmas, right, Francis?
Yeah.
Do you love Kuya Aldrich?
Yeah, I'm so calbo.
Yeah, my favorite cousin.
Bro, I'm
second
so
pala.
calbo.
Why?
It's so ugly like barbers.
Sad. Merry Christmas, Noy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas sa lahat.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's up?
DJ 5,
Hi, River.
Go to the Los Santos. Anong pinatira ng Libron?
Francis.
What's up?
So what are we doing today?
We are fixing
The
decorations.
Yes, sir. Hindi nga nakikita yung bola. Ano no? Hindi ko ka. Wala yan, di ba? Nakatago. Oh, yan. Grabe. Dinala ni Eddie Mar yung bola.
Baka malaglag yun si Shari mamaya. Patay board pa naman sila.
Transition.
Robinson.
Yo, what time is it?
It's party time. It's almost party time, right, Toy?
Party time.
It's not right, it's left.
Damn, the shot went in. It went in, boy. Guys, may ka 1v1 si Francis. Good. Oh, good. Oy. Grabe 1v1 nila, di ba? Yeah, si Jayden! Galing talaga nito! Good. Help me! Oh. Hey! Uy! What the hell? Ang daya kasi ng referee na to eh.
Not my baseline, right?
Kaya nga eh, di ba? Ang daya ng referee, di ba? Ang daya ng referee, di ba? Oh, stop. This one. Oh, good. Uy!
Labas na.
It's okay, Jayden. Nice game. Uy, si Santa. Say Santa. Santa!
Ho, Merry Christmas!
Hello guys, this is the lechon.
Wow. Guys, ang sarap ng lechon ni Mang Juni, oh. Hi, Mang Juni. Sarap naman ng lechon.
Ho, Merry Christmas!
Hi, Ate Mila. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, Ate Mila. Ate Marivic, Merry Christmas! Dito, Merry Christmas! Alaga ko to si Ate Marivic dati. Guys, ito si Jayden. I helped him gut grasshoppers last time. Di ba, Jayden? Saan na yung grasshoppers mo?
Ano, nabenta ko na.
Saan mo nabenta?
Sa SM Sukat.
Wow, nice one. Tara. Mayo, ba't parang kinakabahan ka? Oh. Uy, si Atina nabangga. Guys, si Atina, Pasko na. Say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Guys, yung pusa, may kinakain na siya from the trash can. Guys, inayos nila yung bench. Dali, picture kayo to, no? Gusto nyo makita yung bench? Ito yung inayos nila, oh. Ano yung inayos yung bench? Thank you, Kuya Tata! Tada! Musta basketball? Good. Guys, mga napagod ka ka-basketball. Naglaro kasi kami 5 on 5. Talo, oh.
Ano tayo?
We have money.
Money for what?
For Christmas.
This guy's asking money from me because it's Christmas. But he didn't even give me a gift. What's my gift?
I forgot.
Yeah, boy.
Guys, I gave Inigo a gift. Let's see what I gave him. Go unbox. Unbox. Merry Christmas, bro. Yay! From Uniqlo. Let's go. Your favorite color.
Yes,
Sir. Merry Christmas. Guys, I also gave Francis a gift. Look, guys, what is it? What is it?
Look at this. It's like
It's a
a
pillow. How about Evie? What did you get? Nice one. Okay, yeah, Francis, let's go. May sariling mundo pala yung mga bata dito. Guys, look oh.
Yo, I got the money.
Yo, did you get any money? Oh, si Jaden, oh, si Jaden. Oh, sige. Jaden, oh. Oh, viral to, ha. Viral to, ha.
Lagay mo sa YouTube.
Oh, Merry Pasko!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push mo ta sa
Bang, bang! Guys!
Magbibingo kami!
Sige, bingo, dali. Bingo! Susak, Leo. Magbibingo na tayo. Ready na kasi bingo?
Bingguin kita.
Bingoin daw nito ni Nico. Ready ka na sa bingo? Oo. Buknoy, ready ka na sa bingo? Yes, sir!
Butasan kita.
Guys, nagbibingo kami. 10,000 ang prize. Sana manalo tayo, di ba? Sana manalo. Hi! Guys, si Evie, isa na lang oh. Isa lang kailangan ni Evie. Evie! Okay ka lang?
May luha.
Evie! Guys, second place si Evie. Evie, okay ka lang? Ano ba? Sabi daw ni Evie, ano? Sayang, second placer si Evie eh. Hi Franco. The guy who added me on IG, right?
Yeah.
The guy who added me on IG, fist bump. Nice one. Hi Raya. Bye Franco. Guys, nagyayabang na naman si Evie. Evie! What's that?
That game's so rigged.
How did you get that?
What do you mean?
Where'd you get all that? May look, oh. Ang yabang, oh. Where'd you get? For what? Hey, Francis, ikaw yun, no? How's the Christmas?
Very masaya.
Very good, right? Merry Christmas, Ama.
One eternity later.
My whole body hurts. Evie, look.
Huh?
How's the bingo? What you said from it last night?
I got 1,000.
What's that? Is that how much you won?
solution for it.
How about from the bingo? Second place, no second placer?
No. Not 1,050.
Mga bata dito, they're not tired from what happened last night. Walang katakasang laro. What happened sa bingo? Finally, Inigo is awake! Good morning. Favorite cousin. What's up? Sakit ng katawan mo? Hi Kuya Poy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New.
Ba't ang lungkot ni Evie? Why is Evie sad?
Talo kasi sa bingo si Ivy.
Yun ba yun, Evie? Is that why you are sad? Talo sa bingo? Evie? Oh, Edimar, talo. Kawawa si Evie, oh. Nalulungkot. Yo, I'm with Francis. Look at Evie, oh. He's so sad. Francis, ba't ang lungkot ni Evie? Did he lose? Maybe because he lost to bingo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Evie. Evie. What? There's no point if you won, but that's 10,000, right?
Yeah.
Damn, 10,000. Hi, Ate Mila.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hold up.
What's up, guys? We're on top of the new tree house.
Bye. Thank you, chat. God bless you.
Guys, it's Christmas is done. See you next year. Thank you, guys. Bye, Francis.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.